We've got another Oklahoma proven annual that I want to introduce you to, and this is Scaevola, or also commonly known as fanflower. And it gets its name fanflower because it really is only half of a flower that looks like a fan. Now it comes also in white and pink, but you traditionally see it more in this purple color. It's a great low growing annual and works well in containers for that spiller effect as well. And one thing that I like to use it for is a lot of times we might have homestead purple verbena planted in our garden, and that blooms in the springtime and is a perennial, but once that fades we might still want to have that look of purple low growing, and this is a great addition for that reason. Scaevola is an annual, so it will thrive in our heat. Now it does prefer a moist, well-drained soil, but can tolerate a drought condition as well.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.